Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up PIR motion sensor for your REOLINK Argus Pro. And to do this, first let's click on the settings. After adding the camera to the app, you can check our previous video on how to do it. Now let's go for the PIR motion sensor. And now make sure that it's on if you want to customize it. If you want to disable that sensor entirely, simply turn it off. But let's say that we want to set it up, and here we can change the sensitivity for the sensor from low to high, and by default it's set to 80. You can reduce the false alarms if you want, and there's also a schedule. So here you can enable or schedule the camera for a specific time of day or even a day and use it as an alarm or simply disable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.